everyone, I am Beena from Learn for Lifetime. Today I show you how to say B sound. Today I am wearing blue clothes because the word blue starts with B sound. To say the B sound, put your lips together and voice on. Watch me. B, B, B. Yes, great. The action we'll use to remember the B sound, pretend to hit a ball with a bat. B, B. Let's try with a rhyme. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Wow! Now let's see the words which comes with B sound. B, ball. B, bat. B, boy. Okay, I'll give you one task. Every time the lips come in the screen, say B. Remember the lips together and voice on and say B. Well done. Keep practicing the B sound. See you in next video. Till then, bye-bye.